So hello guys, let's try to understand the CSS. So what is the CSS is? If you heard about CSS and then it's okay, but if you are new and first time you are heard about the CSS, then it will be excite you because CSS is the main responsible to describe the presentation of the document written in the HTML. So basically whatever you are seeing in the web browser where the colors and some of the alignment and the same page, if you are opening in the different devices, then you will find that their content and design are adjusting according to that device. So basically all these things are done by the CSS, where you need to write their code to change the design and look and feel of the web pages. So basically if you are want to be a web developer, then this is the another category, which is designing part, where some of the people are known as a designer, and they are basically full-fledged designer, where they are handling the CSS related stuff. This is again is the very vast area, and if you want to go, then you can go there. But as per the coding and as per the development is concerned, you need to know some basic knowledge about CSS, because this is the basic stuff and every web developer should know about it. So if you are not want to be a designer, if you want to be a developer, either a front-end developer or a back-end developer, then you can just try to understand the basic concept of CSS, where most of the cases you can use the pre-built written library, which is the basically a bootstrap, which is the open source, where lots of people are including this library in their projects and using their classes. So basically in the bootstrap, all the CSS stuff will be written there. Just you need to use these things. How you will use? You can use through the classes and some tags, and against the tags the CSS are written, against the classes or IDs CSS are written, and some little bit changes you need to do at your end also as a web developer, because like if you want to change some color and some alignment, then you just need to go there and change something. Okay, so also you need to understand that there are three type of CSS are available. CS means three way that you can include the CSS stuff in your web pages. One is the external CSS. For example, a Bootstrap, where what you are doing is to downloading their library, or you can also use the CDN, where you are using some link tag in the HTML. Through this you are including that library in the web pages, and then you can start using their classes. So if you will provide their classes, then that class will that button will be work according to the their CSS is written for against that classes in the Bootstrap. So you need some basic stuff. You understand how you can include a CSS file in the web pages, or sometimes if you want to add some CSS that you don't want to share the same CSS in the another pages, then in that case you can also write a internal CSS. Okay, basically internal CSS is what, where you under the style tag you are writing a lots of classes. So basically that classes, that CSS will only be applicable only on that page, not others. But there are some advantage on the external CSS, where whenever you require their style and the classes, you just need to include in any of the required web page, and then you can start using. But the requirement is that that particular some of the CSS are only need to be written for only one web page. In that case you can write a style, okay, a style tag, where you can write a CSS stuff. And the third part is the inline CSS, where suppose that there are the heading or button. If you want to change something only on that particular button, then you can write a inline CSS, basically where you will need to provide the attribute which is the style, and under the style, under the double quote marks, style is equal to double quote marks, you need to write CSS basically, and that will be applicable only for that element. So in this way you can write a CSS. Just go to the some of the documentation that I found on the internet, which is the you can go to the W3 School for the their more information, where you will find a 2D point the thing is written, so you will easily understand from that. But if you want to understand in the depth, then you can follow the developer.mozilla.org. we can go and you can play around the CSS. Definitely you will able to understand how the thing is working. If still you will face any problem, then definitely comment and let us know. So thank you for watching.